Today I'm sitting with my co-founder Graeme Jarvie talking about the HelloChoice potato playbook. But Graeme, before we talk about the playbook itself, tell us about why you're passionate about digital marketplaces.
Grant, so the trick is, and this is why I'm passionate about it, is that for the first time farmers are able to digitize information about what they produce, okay, and put that information in one place, the HelloChoice platform. And that allows a whole range of new possibilities in our marketing as farmers.
Graeme, tell me more about your day using the HelloChoice potato playbook.
Grant, my day unfolds in the following way. So all potato farmers are speaking to their market agents in the morning, getting the daily pricing feedback, okay? That we do anyway. Now, with HelloChoices, you take that daily pricing feedback and we put it into a pricing calculator, because what we need to do is find the price that we receive net farmgate after all costs, okay? And the pricing calculator does that easily for us, all right? The next thing, when you use HelloChoice, you must assess the production capacity of your pack house for that particular day. So you know how much stock you have to market on the HelloChoice platform on that day, all right? So now you have the pricing and you've got the quantity, all right? Then it's very easy to list that on the HelloChoice platform, okay? And once it's listed on the HelloChoice platform, there's not much else you have to do as a farmer. You don't have to take calls from lots of different customers and trying to figure out what production is going to go where. It's all going to automatically happen now on the HelloChoice platform. The next time you need to know anything from HelloChoice is after the bid marketplace is run, which normally ends off at 9:30, and you normally get your pack list, your initial pack list from HelloChoice at about 10 o'clock. Okay? From that 10 o'clock pack list, you then start planning your pack house so that you start getting the orders ready for your customers, because the pack list gives you each customer how much they've taken and what price they're paying.
That's great, Graeme. So to recap, you've done your pricing calculations.
Yes.
You've listed your product for auction and you've got your initial pack list round about 10 o'clock. What happens next?
Okay. Any pallets that are not sold on the auction are then put onto the Buy It Now marketplace. This is done automatically by HelloChoice. This allows the buyers that bid on the auction to be able to top up their loads, plus it allows new buyers to be able to access product, and we do this at a slight premium price so that we do not undermine the auction buyers. Okay, that ends at about 12 o'clock, that opportunity. From there we get the final pack list of the day, probably at about 1 o'clock, and then the rest of the day runs very smoothly as we just have to pack for that pack list. Grant, what is important to note is that the HelloChoice system works very well in conjunction with the municipal markets, because any stock that is remaining, we then default to the markets. A key HelloChoice innovation is the Green Numbers report. This report gives a single view of how each of my market channels are performing against each other. A green number is given to all the price points that beat my benchmark.
Graeme, thanks very much for that. Just to end off, what advice would you give to farmers considering using the playbook?
From seeing the free market system unfold through HelloChoice, I advise farmers to empower themselves to manage all their marketing channels more closely using the playbook.